In this video, I will be telling you how to find the FundedNext coupons which are valid, legitimate, and authentic. So for that, just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So I'm going to show you a method which you guys can follow in any time of the year. So by following this method, you will be able to find the best coupon codes that are available online over the internet. So one of the method is just simply go ahead on the Google and type in Funded Next, any sort of website which you want to find the coupons for, and then coupon out ahead, and then just search it up. So there are some of the website which are really very legitimate, authentic, and which provides valid and not expired coupon codes. One of them is WeThrift. The other one is simply codes, and there are a bunch of other websites, but I really recommend you guys to use WeThrift website for the best coupon codes that are available online. So once you go ahead, all you have to do is to click on the website. It will take some time to load up. Now, once we are on the website, you guys can see that no funded coupons codes for the March 1st, 2025. This is March 1st, and we're going to show you the funded next best coupon codes valid for today. So here you guys can see that this is the coupon code, which is 18% off. The best funded next coupon code is we thrift 18. So simply copy this code and then you guys can go ahead and visit this website and paste the code in, and it will definitely work 100% with authenticity. The next code is 30% off with 80%, 85% lifetime payout plus 15% profit share with code Infinity30. So using this code, so by the time you will see this video, maybe these code would expire. So make sure that you go and go through this process over the internet, find out the latest working code. So this is me signing off. Take care. Bye bye.